Assalamu alaikum student. I hope all of you fine. I am Muhammad Alam, lecturer of biology, class 9th. I welcome you all students. Video classes are very useful form which has provided academic goals without physical presence in the college. Therefore, students, you should avail opportunity by all video classes. Student, today one of the most important topic of class 9th bio is microscope and different between light microscope and electronic microscope. Content: number 1, introduction of microscope. Number 2, type of microscopes. Number 3, difference between light microscope and electronic microscope. Introduction. Microscopes derived from Greek language micron means small and scopes means to look. It means microscope is a instrument which help to saw the small microbes like bacteria, virus, fungi, see with the help of microscope, because these all microbes do not see with the naked eyes. So microscope is most important for the microbes. We see easily way the microorganisms which are very dangerous for human life. Microscope is an instrument for viewing objects that are too small to be seen by a naked and unaided eyes. Microscopy, a science of investigation small object used such as an instrument, is called microscope. In other definition of microscopes, this type of instrument which helps investigation of small objects, that instrument is called microscopy. Historical background. The historical background of microscope. First, 1519, Hans Janssen and his son Zacharias Janssen developed first microscope. In 1609 and 1610, a scientist, his name was Galileo, he invented compound microscope. In 1620, Christian Huygens and other Dutchmen developed a simple two-lens ocular system that was chromatically corrected. So these are scientists which are invented different microscopes. Now student, we come the type of microscope. How many type of microscopes according to your syllabus? There are two types of microscopes. Number 1, light microscopes. Number 2, electronic microscope. Now, difference between light and electronic microscope. This is the parameters of light and electronic microscope. Parameters are included in size, cost, radiation types, magnification, control of image formation, resolution, color of image. Size. Number one difference is size. Light microscopy. Light microscopes are smaller and lighter, so are easier to move and set up. Electronic microscopy. Electronic microscopes are big and heavy, so are hard to move and set up. This is the first difference between the light microscopes and electronic microscopy. First difference is size. Size, according to size, I again explain, light microscope are smaller and lighter, so are easier to move and set up. But electronic microscopy, electron microscopes are big and heavy, so are hard to move and set up. Cost. Light microscopes are less expensive than electronic microscope. Electronic microscopes are expensive. Parameter number 3, radiation type. In light microscopes use light, approx wavelength is 400 to 700 nanometers. Basically, in this microscope only use a sunlight so his wavelength is 400 to 700 nanometer. Electronic microscopes use beams of electrons approx equivalent to wavelength of 1 nanometer. Magnification. Fourth parameter of microscopes is a magnification. Light microscopes has a much less magnification than electronic microscopes. Electronic microscopes have much higher magnification than light microscope because in electronic microscopes use electronic beams, but in light microscope do not use in electronic beam. It's only used in sunlight. Control of image formation. Number 5th parameter of microscope. Light microscopes and glass lens mostly used in light microscopes and glass lenses. In electronic microscopes, beams of electrons can be focused using electromagnetic due to negative charge on electron. Resolution. Number 6 parameter. Light microscopes has a much lesser resolution than electronic microscope, and electronic microscopes have a much higher resolution than light microscope. Number 7 parameter of microscopes is light microscopes form electronic microscope. Thanks dear student, I hope you are understood very well the lecture of microscopes, introduction of microscopes, types of microscopes and difference between light microscopes and electronic microscopes. Okay dear, thanks, Allah Hafiz.